Okay, let's start. So this is the front end of the project. So I named it as pro.test. So no need to worry about why it is pro. So whenever I download the Laravel, it will be like the pro. So I downloaded it as the Laravel. So if you go to the Laravel website, so if you go to this website, mm, I hope you remember these things. So when you go to this one, documentation, here is how you download this Laravel. Okay, so this blog indicates this name. Okay, so whenever if I put pro here, it will be pro. If I put blog here, it will be blog. It will be blog. Okay, if I put blog here, if I put blog here, it will be blog here. Okay, so whenever I downloaded the Laravel as pro, so that's why it is pro. So right now I'm not logged in, so I'm sorry, I must log out. I logged in. My excuse for that. So sorry, not this one. So slash admin. So if I go to the admin section, I can just log out from here. So right now I logged in as this user Lakshmish Badiyar. So what you do, so in order to right now I don't want to log in. Okay, so I just want to show you the website, so without logged in user. Okay, whenever someone visits to my website, this is what he sees. Okay, when you go to this website, he can see the items. So right now I have all the fruit items, so you can go on adding them. I'll show you how to do that. You can go on adding these items more, like one by one. So right now I will just go to this add to cart. So can you see this one? So it will increase by one now. So this is connected with this database. So whenever I add the products, it will be adding here. Okay, it will be adding in this database. Okay, how this database works, this is the cart name. So this is the database name is cart. So in the here in the .env file, so this .environment file, I have a database name as cart. Okay, so the root is the name of the username. Okay, this username. So right now I don't have any password, that's why it's empty. This one is empty. Okay, this password field is empty. Got it? Okay, so um, if I go to this one, so I logged in now. So these are the items which is if I choose here add to cart, these are the items which will come here. Okay, I already have so many items. Okay, so what I should do is, so I have one item now, so I will add one more, and this will change it to 2. Okay, and I will add one more, and now it will change it to 3. Okay, so it's working. So now I will not add this one. If you want, you can. Okay, four items. I added 4 items. So right now I have 4 items in my cart. Okay, cart cart means, so which items I want to buy. Okay, so this one. So here I have the list of items. So this is the cart items. So it is having the number of items. So if you want to increase at the last moment, so you can increase it by 10, and if you want to change the size, you can change the size by small, and then click OK. At the same time, if you want to delete them, you can delete them. So this is basically like a CRUD function. This is called as a CRUD function. So create, update, read and delete, all those functions. Okay, so if we right now it's 13 now, so if I want to delete this banana, okay, so I'll just delete this one. Oh, I think I have some error here. Okay, so don't worry about this error, I'll fix it when I'm completing this one. I will fix this error. So but it will delete. Okay, so it will delete. So I am having some error in this one. Okay, card row ID, so some issues with this one. Okay, but it's working fine with the add button. Okay, so right now I have 13 items. So the tags for 13 items is 14.10. so I have in the Laravel, I have tags functions. So I just added their 1% tags. Okay, so right now this is the subtotal. Subtotal is basically without this tax. So with this tax it is the total price of the uh, all the items what I have in the cart. The next thing is I will check out. So I will check out. In the checkout section you will get the you have to add the, so first it will ask for the login information. Suppose if you are not a registered user, you have to register here. So again the database, in this database it will store the in the users, everything will be stored as the registered user. Okay, if you register, everything will be saved inside these things. Okay, I have registered with the three accounts. One is this one, this one, and this one. So right now I want to log in with this one. So I am already registered. You can do as much as registration you want. So for this moment I'm logging as the login as the this user. Okay, so after clicking the login, so it will take me to the login information. So the route is got changed to the shipping info. Okay, here I will add the all the details. So how these are coming, so how this is recognizing these things. So these things are present inside the these routes. Okay, inside these routes. So all these routes, suppose if I put shopping cart, where is the shopping cart? Okay, where is the shopping cart? Shopping cart. Okay, it's shopping information. Okay, it's here. Okay, so it's coming from here. So like that I have different routes. This is called as routing. So I have different information in different routes in the web.php. Okay, here in the routes you have web.php. So the next thing is I'll just proceed to the payment. For the sorry, this is address section, right? So after clicking here I will go to the payment section, so which is very important. For the payment I have used the Stripe. I have used the Stripe, not the Slack. I use this Stripe. So for in order to work with this Stripe you have to register account in this one. So if this is a dummy. Okay, so they are giving you a dummy card number. So just copy this card number and just paste it here. Go on pasting. So remove this comma and then expire date above the date of today what you are using. Suppose it should be above the date, so it shouldn't be like 17 here. Okay, 2017 is a false here. Okay, so 1 2 3 you can put any CVC number here and then make it a payment. Once it's successful payment done, it will show you the order is completed. So to check the order details you can go to the admin again, admin. So go to the admin. So in this admin section you have all the uh, details about the what you ordered. Okay, so suppose if I want to check all the orders, I can go inside this one. So I will get all the orders. So before ordering the Lakshmi Shooter for testing, I had ordered so many things before also, so it is saving all the items here. So right now these two things are already delivered, so I completed a transaction using the both. But for this one right now it is not checked, means it's not delivered yet. So to check this is called as pending. So this is already delivered. Okay, but this is called as pending order. Okay, you can check the pending order in the pending order sections. Right now you will see only one item. Okay, this is pending. Okay, if you go here and click to submit, now it will become delivered order. So in the delivered orders, if you go to the no pending orders now. So if you go to delivered orders, you will see all are ticked now. Okay, so this is how you do. Suppose you want to add some items. Suppose if I go to this pro test, if I want to add the items, more items, if I want to add the more items here, so for that I will first have to add the category. For that, suppose I want to create a category, add category. Suppose I will create oranges is already there, then grapes is there, pineapple. Suppose pineapple, it's a spelling of pineapple, I hope it's right. If I go to the pineapple, so it will create the pineapple category here, but it's not showing me, but it's created in the database. If I go to this yeah, if I go to this cart, if I go to this categories, so it created the pineapple here. It's created the category called as pineapple. So you created the category. So inside this one you have the product. You will add the product. Suppose if I go to the add product, here I can go on adding these items. I can add these items. There are right now 4. I can go and add. So